Hello everyone, I am Abir, section 15, roll number 21EC10003. As assignment 3, I am going to deassemble and assemble a Bluetooth speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker, HP Bluetooth speaker 400. I am going to deassemble and assemble it. Now the speaker is in proper working condition. I am turning on and connecting it with my mobile phone. See all sound increasing and decreasing happening. Now I am disconnecting it and turning off. Now I am going to deassemble it. I am using this screwdriver. At first I detached the fiber cover over here and then I have opened 6 screws. Actually I have not detached the speakers because they are permanently attached by some glue like things. Then I open it and I also opened 3 screws to detach the circuit board from the speaker. Then I open a jack to detach the battery. The body of the speaker like this, and these parts are made by fiber polymer and it is a rubber band. Also these are the electronic components. These are the speakers with woofers and there is the electromagnet portion by which the speaker works. This is the lithium polymer battery which has 3 wires, the red, yellow and black. The red is for power supply, the yellow is for the temperature sensing and black is the ground or negative part. Now I am going to explain the circuit. It is the Bluetooth module which has this flash memory of 256 bytes. It is the microcontroller. Here it is the amplifier. It is the charging module. There are 4 switches for power on off, increase decrease the sound and for receiving calls. There are several capacitors over here like this. And there is an inductor coil here. Also there are SS34 diodes and transistors. Now it is the USB port for connecting the USB to for charging the battery, and it is the audio jack which is connected with the PC. Also there are various small components over here in the circuit. Now there is a LED which indicates the on off and paired with any device by white and orange lights. These wires go to the speakers. This is the part with which the lithium polymer battery is connected. Now I am going to explain its working principle. Power comes from the battery. So this is the Bluetooth module which is paired with the mobile phone or any Bluetooth device. The EM wave which consists the digital signal or data sent by the sender. Then there is the DAC which converts the digital data into analog signal. Then the amplifier increases the amplitude of the analog signal and thus by various components it goes to the speakers. In speaker there are diaphragms which converts the electric signal into sound wave. So we can hear the increased sound of the song or anything. So there is the USB jack which is used for charging the lithium ion battery, and here is the charging IC. The switches are also controlled by this circuit board. There is the audio jack which is connected with computer. The ICs are also programmed, so when the Bluetooth speaker turns on or paired with a device, it gives a sound. Also there is a small hole which receives the sounds from the outside, and by this way this goes to the circuit board. Now I am going to reassemble it. I have used the reverse way to reassemble it. So at first I put the battery jack, then I put 3 screws over here to attach the circuit board. And at last I put all 6 screws to attach this. Then I put this hard cover. Now it is completely assembled. Now see, it is working properly. It is connected. So I am playing a song. Thank you.